Cards by Kate Fletcher. Today's video is a new product video and I am so excited to show you what I've got. So if you're a regular to the channel, you will know two of my crafty loves are Craft Consortium and Helz Cuppleditch. And on my birthday they launched the newest collection, which is called The Gift of Giving, and mine came today. So I'm going to go through this with you really quickly now. Now there has already been a sneak peek because I was so lucky to be sent for my birthday a few bits from the collection by one of the design team members, and it absolutely made my day. I was so chuffed. But I'm going to go through it all with you now, and we'll see what you think of the collection. I have got the whole collection here. It's available various different places. It was on Create and Craft. I got mine from Craft Stash, and Craft Stash have various different bundles, and you can get it direct from Craft Consortium as well. It's probably available other places as well, but those are just like the three that I know of. So as usual, I'm going to start with the paper pad. So in this collection you have two to choose from. You have the 12x12 or you have the 6x6. They are exactly the same, just obviously different sizes. So we have 40 double-sided sheets. They are 200 GSM, and the pearlescent ones, or as I call them, sheeny, are 150 GSM. They're acid free and they are beautiful. So this is the front cover of the collection. Isn't it just adorable? I love it. Then we come to the inside page. Now this is why I love, or one of the reasons I love, Craft Consortium. They use every available space to give you the most they can for your money. So all of these can be cut out to use on your projects. And I just think that's a great idea. And then we have these strips. So I'll bring them up so you can see a little bit better. Now I've used these on past collections for little cards for my daughter to send, for like thank yous and things like that. But I've also done waterfall cards with them. So there's loads of different uses for those. And then you have the story strip is what I call this one. And these are great for like diorama cards, theatre set cards. There's so many different things you can do with these. So that's the first lot of papers. Then we have, look at these balloons. Now these have got the slight sheen to them, so these are slightly pearlescent. I don't know if it's picking up, and I love them. I just think that is such a brilliant paper, and I know that is going to be so well used in my crafting. Then on the back we have it in matte, so there's no sheen to this, but it's got these cute little heart tags. How cute are these? And obviously a white background instead of the bluey, tealy, aquamarine type green background. So I love those. I think it's brilliant, brilliant paper. I can't even talk highly enough about it. Then we've got the polka dots. So we have purple with polka dots. And with all the Helz Cuppleditch stuff, she generally does give you a polka dot paper, but I love that because they are so useful and I do use them a lot. So we have the purple background there, and look at that. On the back we have a mint kind of one. That says to me mint chocolate chip ice cream. Don't know why. But how beautiful are they? They're going to get so well used. Look at that. Now that one is another pearlescent one, and isn't that just stunning? Look at all the sentiments you have on that page. White background, you could just fussy cut those or die cut them or whatever. That is genius. I love that. Wow, look at this pink. And again, that's kind of pearlescent. It's got the sheen to it. Isn't that stunning? Love this. Look. Now this is matte, so there's no sheen to this, but how gorgeous is that? Absolutely beautiful. Now in a previous collection, I think it was, it's an older one, it was I think the night before Christmas, she had Christmas presents falling from the sky, and that kind of reminds me of this, just without the birds obviously, but I love it. And again, how easy would it be to fussy cut those? Absolutely amazing. Oh my god, look, then we've got it in green. How beautiful. I love these. These are super. Wow, look at that. So that's pearlescent again. It's got the sheen. Excuse the motorbike in the background. I've got the windows open because it's so blooming hot. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? And look at the big one. Can I just say, I think I'm being quite restrained for me, actually. There's not me. I'm normally a lot more squealy, and I think I'm doing quite well on reining it in. I don't know whether that's because I'm too hot or I don't know, but definitely did a happy dance when the postman came. I just didn't film that bit. See, now what these remind me of, this one reminds me, and don't laugh, but do you remember the Aquafresh advert years ago? It was in the 80s, of the cartoon family brushing their teeth, and there was the bubble toothpaste that flows across the screen. That is what that makes me think of. But I love it. I think it's such a cool paper. And this one reminds me of those pink striped bags that you get at the seafront, and they're paper bags, and you fill them with like sweets or rock or whatever. I love these. I think those are, they're gorgeous, and look at the sheen on them as well. And then we've got the bunting. So I love bunting. I love using it. I love it on papers, and it does feature, again, it's something that she does so well. I think it was definitely in Beach Life, which was one of her previous collections, but I just love it, and it's so useful. And look how gorgeous that is. Yes, look. Then we have it in yellow, and isn't that stunning? I love that. I absolutely love it. Those are going to be so well used. So at the moment, I think my favourite papers are this one and the balloon one, but they're all gorgeous. They're all going to be used. Oh look, we've got another one like this. So we had one earlier, and I think it had the white background, and now we have it again. I'm not sure it's it's a little bit pearlescent. More sentiments. Love that. It's on the back. Oh wow, we've got pearlescent, yellow and white polka dots. I love that. That's amazing. And look at these daisies. Now this would work really well with the cottage garden collection, because that was quite, you know, floral and the colours match. Those are gorgeous. And did anybody else used to make daisy chains when you were younger? I spent hours making daisy chains, put them around my head, put them around my wrist. Look, I love that. It really pops on the white. The yellow is really nice, but it really pops on the white. I love that. These are going to be so well used, I can't even tell you. Look how cute that is. So simple and yet so effective. Beautiful. And then look, now that would work absolutely 100% with cottage garden, because we had that colour background, we had the florals, we had a white picket fence one like that. Amazing. I love that, and I love when collections can work together and it's nice and subtle. I love that. That is beautiful. And then this is the back page. So again, we have more cutouts on the back page to use. Got the bunting. Isn't that gorgeous? And then on the back we have a little cutout of the story ones, and then there's a bit on the artist there. How gorgeous are those papers. Oh my word, I cannot wait to start using them. The 6x6 pad is exactly the same, just smaller, so that's really, really nice. So well chuffed with those. Then we have the Decoupage kit. Now, I love these. These are great for quick cards, and I'm wondering if this will be like the Snow time where we have like a sheet of toppers on their own. So we'll have a look. We have Kitty and the balloons, two of those. That gorgeous little dog holding the bucket of champagne. Isn't that adorable? Doggy with the pile of presents. Kitty with the cake. And dog with hidden dog and hidden kitty. How beautiful are those? I love them. They are superb. No toppers on their own, but that's not the end of the world. You could easily just use these on their own. Love those. Just put them back in the envelope really quick. I like to keep everything together. Then we have 80 flat back pearls. Look at the gorgeous colours on these. I really love that one. I mean, I love them all, but I love that colour. And these hot pink ones are stunning. So those will get really well used. I love pearls. I've got a real thing for pearls at the moment. Then for the first time, we have washi. So in the past we've had charms and we've had the MDF shapes, which I loved, but this time we get washi. So we've got balloons, we've got bunting, and we've got a red one that says with love and kisses. How cute is that? I don't know if it's gonna focus in, probably not. No, it does. And then if we just look, how pretty is that? I love it. Gotta love some washi. And you know the best bit? My favourite papers were the balloons and the bunting, and I've got washi to go with it. Awesome. So we've got some lovely washi tape there. I think 15 metres in total. And then we have 6 stamp sets. 6 stamp sets. So the first one says, it's got the dog next to a flower stand. It says, with love, thinking of you, pick of the bunch, and on this special day. Then we have some bees and some flowers. Now these stamps are awesome quality. They stamp really nicely. I don't think I've ever had to prime a craft consortium stamp. They're really good size. They come off the acetate really nice. They are amazing quality and they clean up well. So I do love these stamp sets. The next one is the kitty with the balloons. We get an extra balloon, we've got a bee, we've got a tag that says special day. We have on this special day, just because, and someone special. Then we have the cat with the cake, and we have an extra cake, so you could easily decoupage that yourself. Got the bunting, we know I love bunting. Got the present there. Celebrate, happy birthday, and make a wish. Then we have a dog next to a pile of presents. We get another bee. You've got presents, the gift of friendship just for you, some kisses, and have a fabulous day. And then we have the dog that's holding the champagne bucket. We've got the champagne with the champagne glasses. Raise a glass, pop the cork, cheers, and drink Prosecco and relax. Those are brilliant sentiments. I love those. I love when they don't do your bog standard like happy birthday. I love when they do things that can work across many different occasions, and that is awesome. I love that set. And then the last one, we have the dog in the present with the spotty dog behind and the cat hiding. We've got another spare balloon. We have some presents, Party Time, Hugs and Kisses, and Another Year Younger. I love that. I think that's brilliant. Imagine if you could actually age younger instead of aging older. That would be amazing. I mean, I know I say I like 21 again, but I don't think anyone's buying it anymore, so I like that. So that is the brand new collection from Craft Consortium and Helz Cuppleditch. Let me know in comments what you think. Do you have a favourite element of the collection? What do you think of it in general? Personally, I am so chuffed. I can't wait to start using this. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and I have so many ideas for what I can do with this. And yeah, let me know. Are you going to get it? Have you got it? Have you been doing anything with it? Let me know in comments below. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you're all well. I hope you're not melting too much in this heat. Don't want to moan about the heat because I really hate the cold, and I am liking the heat. I'm just a tad hot. I will be back soon with some more videos, but for now that's all for today. So take care, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.